everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bitcoin's in a bear market, but there are plenty of good reasons to keep investing. Higher volatility, equity offerings, and resistance to regulatory sanctions are just a few reasons why investors should keep an eye on BTC. Let's rewind the tape to the end of 2021 when Bitcoin was trading near 47,000, which at the time was 32% lower than the all-time high. During that time, the tech-heavy Nasdaq stock market index held 15,650 points, just 3% below its higher ever mark. Comparing the Nasdaq's 75% gain between 2021 and 2022 to Bitcoin's 544% positive move. One could assume that an eventual correction caused by macroeconomic tensions or a major crisis would lead to Bitcoin's price being disproportionately impacted the stocks. Eventually, those macroeconomic tensions and crises did occur, and Bitcoin price plunging another 57% to 20,250. This shouldn't be a surprise given the Nasdaq is down 24.4% as of September 2. Investors also must factor in the index historical 120-day volatility is 40% annualized versus Bitcoin's 72%, which is roughly 80% higher. That's the core reason why investors should reevaluate investing in Bitcoin. The risk to reward potential after the downward adjustment in risk assets possibly leaves more upside for the cryptocurrency considering three factors: higher volatility during a moderate recovery, equity offerings, and resistance to regulatory sanctions. The problem is, the market is now in a drawn-out bear trend, and there are no signs that point to a quick recovery because double-digit inflation in many countries continues to pressure the central banks to sustain a tighter stance. Notice below how bad Bitcoin and the Nasdaq have struggled throughout 2022. The consequence of raising interest rates and removing debt asset stabilization programs is a recession-like environment. Whether or not a soft landing will be achieved is irrelevant because no cent investor will opt for credit-exposed and growth sectors when the cost of capital is increasing and consumption is contracting. Bitcoin can crash tech stocks even during moderate recoveries. Volatility is usually interpreted as negative considering that the movements in price, either up or down, are accelerated. However, if the investor expects some form of recovery over the next 12 to 36 months, there is no reason to believe that Bitcoin will remain under pressure for that long. Let's assume a natural crash such as Bitcoin recovering 25% of the 48,700 drop since the all-time high. While the tech-heavy Nasdaq index not only recovers the entire 24.4% losses year-to-date in 2022, but adds another 40% gains over the 1 to 3 year period. The scenario would bring Bitcoin to 32,425, still 53 below its November 2021 all-time high. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.